Today's topic is sad. We're going to talk about the statistics and the death toll from COVID-19. We have figures that are official statistics from Folkhälsomyndigheten and from Socialstyrelsen, two different authorities in Sweden. So I have printed Folkhälsomyndigheten here in the URL. The English version is very difficult to navigate in, so I don't recommend it. I didn't find the statistics there. So I am sorry, but we are reading Swedish now. Please click COVID-19. Do not click to the right here. Click to the left only. And COVID-19. And then you have statistik and analyser. Statistik och analyser. Please click there. And under that you have bekräftade fall i Sverige. Bekräftade fall i Sverige. And now we are on the right track. And then we move down here. Ladda ner data. And you have Excel in the right here. And now I'm laddar ner data. I'm downloading the data. And here I can read in the age group, åldersgrupp 0 to 9. We have 9 children that have died during the pandemic, according to the definition used by Folkhälsomyndigheten. And 10 to 19, you can click here. You see up here it's 10 to 19. Then there are 5 children that have died, according to this definition. So altogether, we have 14 children that have died. And if you sum this is children that have been on intensive care. It's 30 plus 46. It's 76 children. So this was the official statistics from Folkhälsomyndigheten. And now let's move to Socialstyrelsen. Now I have printed Socialstyrelsen.se. Socialstyrelsen.se in Swedish. Do not click here in the first. Click on statistics on COVID-19. And here you have in Swedish death is avlidna. So it's right under here. So here we click avlidna. And then you can scroll down. And then you can get one number by looking here. It says avlidna with COVID-19 for every week. And here they have a 2 if it is 1 or 2 or 3. You can read that below here. And if you follow this, you will find today 19 2s. Today is 16th of June when I do this. You can also click here, download this data, ladda ner data. And then you will get a file. So to the left down, I clicked on this data and I got this. And I also marked with yellow this 2s here. And altogether you can now today, the 16th of June, there are 19 2s. That is at least 19 children. The 2 was 1 to 3. At least 19 children has, according to this statistics, died and being classified as COVID-19. Scroll further down and you can there get the statistics like this. The definition seems to be that patients that have been in hospitals, either outpatient care or inpatient care, are here defined as death. And there you find a number of 8 children in the relevant age groups, which we see if we go to the left here. So it's 0 to 9 and 10 to 19. We have 8 children. So here we have a number of 8. And I have not been able to figure out how the Socialstyrelsen went from these at least 18 down to this 8. Again, we have found that Folkhälsomyndighetens definition of death of COVID-19 is a reasonable one, and they also write in their homepage that they take away, for example, children that have died of a car accident, that there is an obvious other cause of death. But my general belief is that the authorities could coordinate themselves so that we get one main figure and that they give the exact definition of how they arrived at that figure. And it would be great to have the same figure, I think, from Socialstyrelsen and Folkhälsomyndigheten.